Spring cleaning isn't just for your house. Hi, I'm Catherine from the BOOX marketing team, and today I'm going to show you how to spring clean your digital life and how a BOOX device like the Note Air 5C can help you live intentionally, reduce distractions, and embrace digital minimalism. Technology today can be overwhelming with constant notifications, addictive apps, and endless scrolling. But BOOX devices are designed to be intentional. You decide what goes onto your device. And even if you decide to add social media apps, they're far less addictive on e-paper, since the refresh rates and soft colors naturally discourage mindless scrolling. If you're already using a BOOX device, here are some quick ways to spring clean your digital space to make it even more intentional. First, minimize distractions. Head into your settings and disable notifications for apps you don't need, or better yet, disable notifications entirely. Next, organize your content. You can sort your books into bookshelves so that everything has its place. And go through your Notes app to organize or delete anything you no longer need. Then, delete unused apps. If you don't use it, get rid of it. Keep only what truly serves your purpose. You can also simplify your interface. BOOX allows you to customize what appears on screen, so you can strip it down to reduce visual clutter. With just a few simple steps, you can spring clean your books into the ultimate minimalist device, so you can focus on what truly matters. And if you're not yet using a BOOX device, check out our link in the description. Let us know in the comments what you're going to do to spring clean your digital space. Please give us a like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time for more BOOX content. Bye!